Bienvenidos a todos. Hoy a las 5:30 vengan al North Shore Latino Business Association, Sutton Street, for a Hurricane Maria fundraiser. I hope you'll all be able to join us there. Okay, that was not even Spanglish. I don't know what I did there.
It was Spanglish. That's one of our dialects. It works.
But I think everybody understood half of it at least, so that's okay.
Thank you, Mayor. 34 days ago, the island of Puerto Rico got hit by the Hurricane Maria, Category 4. Up to this day, 51 deaths. Nearly 40% of people in Puerto Rico remain without water, electricity, and not able to communicate with their loved ones. It's devastating and it's heartbreaking. We're here today because we need your help, my help, and everyone's help. And the only way to be able to extend our hands to them is to get together in one way or another. There's a box of donation here if you'd like to write a check, if you like. We're also receiving a couple of items that are very necessary: water, medication without prescription, diapers for babies, adults, you name it, things that are easy to transport. We need those, and we are asking you to help us with that. With Edwin being here today, we're collaborating with them. They're from the festival from Puerto Rico and Massachusetts, and the only way that we are able to transport all these needs is working with them. And I really appreciate for you offering your services and your hands and saying we could get together doing this. I also want to mention, as of today, I would love the city of Lynn to let the flag of Puerto Rico be raised every September 15 in honor of Puerto Rico Rising. As I mentioned before, I'm not Puerto Rican, but I let all of you in charge of that and make sure that this happens. And that, the city is very diverse. The city, many years ago, the city used to be Puerto Rican, the larger community Puerto Rican in the city. Now it's different, but we still have a lot of Puerto Ricans here. Mine is here, and all of you are here, so make sure that September 15th, that flag is raised in the city hall. We could compete with Guatemala, Dominicans, and Mexicans, and everyone, but definitely we want to make sure that flag is raised every year in honor of helping this community rise